These foods that are high in vitamin C include citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are all excellent sources of vitamin C. One medium orange contains about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Citrus fruits are also high in fiber, potassium, and other important nutrients. Strawberries. A cup of strawberries contains about 85 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Strawberries are also high in antioxidants, potassium, and other nutrients. Pineapple. A cup of pineapple contains about 78 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 85% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Pineapple is also high in bromelain, an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties and may help with digestion. Kiwi. One medium kiwi contains about 64 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 80% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Kiwis are also high in fiber, potassium, and other nutrients. Mango. A cup of mango contains about 60 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 75% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Mango is also high in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients. Papaya. A cup of papaya contains about 88 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 95% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Papaya is also high in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients. Bell peppers. One medium red bell pepper contains about 95 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Green and yellow bell peppers are also good sources of vitamin C. Bell peppers are also high in antioxidants, vitamin A, and other nutrients. Broccoli. One cup of cooked broccoli contains about 80 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 90% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Broccoli is also high in fiber, vitamin K, and other nutrients. Brussels sprouts. One cup of cooked Brussels sprouts contains about 85 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Brussels sprouts are also high in fiber, vitamin K, and other nutrients. Tomatoes. One medium tomato contains about 22 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 25% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Tomatoes are also high in lycopene, an antioxidant that may have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. In addition to these foods, many fortified foods, such as breakfast cereals and juices, also contain high amounts of vitamin C. It is generally recommended to get your vitamin C from a variety of sources, including whole foods and fortified foods, to ensure that you are getting an adequate intake. It is important to note that vitamin C is sensitive to heat and can be destroyed by cooking, so it is best to consume foods high in vitamin C raw or minimally cooked. Vitamin C supplements are also available, but it is generally recommended to get your nutrients from food whenever possible. Check the description for any resources and remember to subscribe for more plant-based videos. Thanks for watching.